Ever wonder how one man could change the face of science forever? Meet Albert Einstein. In the annals of human history, few people have left as indelible a mark as Albert Einstein. His name, synonymous with genius, continues to resonate, echoing through the corridors of scientific discovery and rippling across the vast expanses of our collective consciousness. Born in Ulm, a small city in the Kingdom of Württemberg in the German Empire, on March 14, 1879, Einstein's journey began in an era that teetered on the precipice of monumental change. As a child, he was not a prodigy. In fact, he didn't even start speaking until he was 3. But even then, a spark was evident in his eyes, a spark that would later kindle a flame of curiosity, illuminating the path to his remarkable journey. Einstein's early life was filled with mundane moments, but his mind was anything but ordinary. He was fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, a fascination that would fuel his lifelong pursuit of knowledge. At a young age, he started questioning the world around him, already showing the traits of a budding scientist. His father, Hermann Einstein, once showed him a pocket compass, and young Albert was mesmerized by the invisible forces that deflected the needle. This small interaction sparked a lifelong fascination with the unseen forces that govern our universe. His thirst for knowledge was insatiable. He taught himself calculus at 15 and began to delve into higher physics. His rebellious nature and nonconformist attitude, however, often clashed with the rigid educational system, leading to him leaving school at 16. Yet, this did not deter him from his path. His intellectual curiosity remained undeterred, and his determination only grew stronger. Einstein's early life was a testament to his innate curiosity and tenacity. It was these qualities that set the stage for his later groundbreaking work, forever changing our understanding of the world. But how did this young boy from Germany become the man who would revolutionize our understanding of the universe? Einstein's journey into the world of physics began with a simple compass. A seemingly ordinary object, yet it held a world of mystery for young Albert. He was just 5 years old when his father gifted him this compass. It wasn't the device per se that intrigued him, but the unseen force that made the needle point north, no matter how it was turned. This invisible force, the magnetic field, set his mind ablaze with curiosity. It was a spark that ignited a passion for understanding the universe's hidden secrets. This newfound fascination led him down a path of relentless inquiry and study. He immersed himself in the world of physics, devouring books and theories that were far beyond the comprehension of his peers. Even as a child, Einstein was not content with accepting things at face value. He questioned, he pondered, he sought to understand the why behind everything. His pursuit of knowledge continued into his academic years. At the age of 16, he applied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, only to be turned down due to his young age. But Einstein, ever the persistent spirit, didn't let this setback deter him. He spent the next year preparing at the Swiss town of Aarau's Cantonal School before finally being admitted into the Polytechnic. At the Swiss Federal Polytechnic, Einstein immersed himself in the study of theoretical physics. His professors recognized his exceptional intellect, even if they were sometimes frustrated by his disregard for traditional learning methods. Rather than memorizing formulas and theories, Einstein sought to understand the underlying principles. He questioned, he challenged, he pushed the boundaries of what was known and accepted. It was here, amidst the academic halls and rigorous studies, that Einstein began to formulate his own theories. He started to explore the realm of quantum mechanics, a field that would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. He dared to challenge the established norms, the accepted truths of physics. And it was in these academic halls where Einstein would begin to challenge the accepted truths of physics. 1905, a year that would forever be known as Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year. In this year, Albert Einstein, then an unknown patent clerk, published 4 papers that would revolutionize the world of physics. Each paper, a marvel in its own right, tackled a different facet of the physical world. First, he took on the photoelectric effect. Einstein proposed that light is made up of particles, or quanta, challenging the long-held belief that light was purely a wave. His theory, which would later lay the groundwork for quantum mechanics, won him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Next, he turned to Brownian motion, the seemingly random movement of particles in a fluid. Through his innovative approach, Einstein provided the first definitive proof of the existence of atoms, something that had been a subject of debate among scientists for centuries. Then Einstein introduced the theory of special relativity, which proposed that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers. This was a radical departure from Newtonian mechanics, which held that the laws of physics were absolute. Einstein's theory argued that space and time were intertwined into a single entity known as space-time. Finally, Einstein presented his most famous equation, E equals mc squared. This simple yet profound equation states that energy, E equals mass, m times the speed of light, c squared. This principle, known as mass-energy equivalence, suggested that mass could be converted into energy and vice versa, paving the way for the development of nuclear energy. Each of these discoveries was groundbreaking in its own way, challenging conventional wisdom and opening up new avenues of research. But together, they marked a seismic shift in our understanding of the physical world. Einstein had not only made his mark, but he had also turned the world of physics on its head. But who was the man behind the equations? Who was Albert Einstein, really? We've all heard of the genius who formulated the theory of relativity, but let's delve a bit deeper into the life of this fascinating individual. Albert Einstein, beyond his scientific prowess, was an intriguing character with a vibrant personal life. He married twice, first to Mileva Maric, a fellow physicist and one of the few women studying science at the time. This union brought 3 children into the world: Lieserl, Hans Albert, and Eduard. The tale of Lieserl, their firstborn, is shrouded in mystery, a testament to the enigmatic nature of Einstein's life. His second marriage was to his cousin Elsa, a relationship that painted a picture of a man who was as unconventional in his personal life as he was in his scientific thought, and his interests extended far beyond the realm of physics. Einstein was an accomplished violinist, even stating that he often thought in music. He found solace and inspiration in playing Mozart and Beethoven on his violin, a testament to his belief in the interconnectedness of all things: music, science, nature, and the human spirit. Yet Einstein was not just a man of science and music. He was a man of strong political convictions, a vocal pacifist and a civil rights activist. He used his fame to speak out against the injustices of his time, including the rise of fascism and racism. A humanist at heart, he believed in the potential for peace and equality in a world often torn by conflict and division. He once said, "I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university." This quote encapsulates his humility and his belief in the inherent worth of every individual, regardless of their societal status. Einstein was more than a scientist. He was a man of many passions and convictions. He was a man who dared to question, to dream, and above all, to live a life true to himself. In understanding Einstein the man, we gain a deeper appreciation for Einstein the scientist. Albert Einstein's life was a testament to the power of curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. This pursuit did not wane as he aged. Instead, it remained a constant driving force throughout his later years. Einstein's later years were a time of continued contributions to science, even as his health began to decline. He didn't retreat into retirement as many do, but instead continued to engage with the scientific community, sharing his insights and ideas. His final major work was the pursuit of a unified field theory, a quest to merge the forces of nature into a single theoretical framework. While he did not achieve this during his lifetime, his efforts laid the groundwork for the development of string theory and quantum gravity. In 1955, Einstein's journey came to an end, but his legacy was far from over. His contributions to science continue to influence modern physics and our understanding of the universe. His theories of relativity, both special and general, have been confirmed through countless experiments and observations. They have shaped our understanding of space, time, and gravity, and have been integral to developments in technology, such as GPS systems. But Einstein's legacy extends beyond the realm of science. He was a vocal advocate for peace, using his fame to promote disarmament and international cooperation. He was a man who believed in the power of ideas and the importance of intellectual freedom. His words and actions continue to inspire scientists, peace activists, and thinkers around the world. Einstein's theories have stood the test of time, his ideas continuing to push the boundaries of our knowledge and understanding. His life serves as a reminder of the power of curiosity, the importance of questioning, and the potential of the human mind. Albert Einstein, a man of science, a man of peace, and a man who forever changed our understanding of the universe.